Whoa, everybody! Oh, would you look at that? Time to bring back the 2016 memories we all had back then. I feel like you guys know what this game is already. I don't think I gotta explain the concept. But something I just want to do in this video is find that like weird secret room that has the freezer trap and just use it. Because it's been a while since I've ever used it. So, quality, high quality. If your games don't, I guess we can try low. My iPad is pretty low quality. So that might be just the fit for it. Day 1. Dude, this game used to give me freaking nightmares as a kid. I remember I had like a dream where I woke up in my same bed where my mom went insane or something. I forget. So, I guess we knock that down or something and then we hide under the bed. I think that's what you do at least. I think that's what you do to start it. Oh. Look, it's Granny. Hi, Granny. Can you move?
Where are you?
Not gonna tell. Okay. Now, because Grandma is really freaking old and she's Egyptian. Fuck. No. Move out the way. We do not have time for this. There's the Egyptian woman running after me. Okay, anyway. Like I was saying. Shit, where is she? Okay, because Granny's really old and she's Egyptian, we have to be really careful about her. Because she's... Uh-oh. I have a feeling that's not good. Let's just go here. So, I remember the secret door here. Still remember this. This is like... I feel like when I got into Granny, it was when this part came out. Forget what you do. Fuck! Why did it hurt me that much? Why the single she didn't hear that. Oh, where is it? Do I need a crossbow or something? Now I'm dude, legit, this stupid Egyptian. Oh my god. She has an entire sewer. Jeez, I wish I was living here. Well, no, that doesn't make sense. I need the crossbow, bro. Oh my god. So now, oh my god. So I gotta hit that one. What's here? Oh right, the spider thing. So maybe we can get... You know, for this video, let's just get the freezer trap. Because I don't want to do the spider thing right now. Keep in mind, like right now, it's like 5 in the morning while I'm recording this. I just want to get a video in because my parents are going out of town today and they don't want me doing anything stupid. So Like, they're not even gonna be gone that long. If you get what I'm saying. They're not gonna be gone for too long. It's only gonna be like a few hours by myself. But like, cause I just didn't want to go. But they just said don't go outside. And the plush video I was gonna record is gonna be recorded mostly outside. So yeah, there's that. I just want your video. The freak could this key be? If I had to unlock a door. There's no weapons key, right? That's what it's. Alright, now we hide. It's like a shine right there. Granny, make up your mind. Up here. I have no idea where she is. What's this? A wheel crank? I need. Well, didn't that just make a lot of fun? What's that? Piece of a painting? Oh, Drake, you did not see it. We just like. I forgot she could do that. Shit. Day 2 is to find a stupid key. You know, maybe I should just end the recording right here, but I feel like after the recording, I'm gonna find the key and it's gonna be like, oh wait, shit, it's right there. Oh, I thought that was the key for a second. Almost no.
Where are you?
Why doesn't it open, bro? Okay, the weapon key is probably in there. So let's switch topics. Where do I don't find the weapon key. Ew, ew, ew. Worst part is that I don't know if she's just gonna stay there, or if at the wrong time she just passes me and then like, get out. Okay, Granny's roaming mostly upstairs, which is good. Because I'm gonna roam mostly downstairs. Shimmy shoulder, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy shoulder. Oh yeah, that's how you get the thing. I need a speeder key. Guys, would it be bad if I said I'm a little too scared to continue? I'm sorry guys, but Where's the play the music, bro? Oh, you can't get me. It's a song that plays in my head when I...
Where are you?
She was right there. She was literally right there. This is a part of the spider thing, I know it. Dude, that's the theme that plays in my head when I try and steal my iPad from my mom's room and she starts to wake up. Please, is this? I don't need that. I don't need. Look, bro, I don't know about you, but I need that weapon key just to get a freaking freezer crab. Does it ever explode? Hey, bird seeds for the bird? Do I need that? No, I need a weapon though. I don't need it. You know, realistically, why can't we just like get one of these boards? Get a why is there a lock on there? Well, that's a bit of an overreaction because we did it before. Alright, how about this? We feed the bird seeds to the bird and we just gonna end it right here. Oh shit, where'd he go? Damn, you down that fast. I'm lucky if she not fed you. You use this to cut your neck in half.